Behind that door, there's a collection of over 150 machines that have transformed the way we live. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce you to Jack and his incredible collection of vacuum cleaners. In you go.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Jack.
Hi there.
This looks
Hello, Jack.
fantastic.
Hi.
Absolutely brilliant. Look at all these machines. Hey, now listen. We're going to set you a task, okay? Well,
yeah.
Jack is. Now, I want you to pick his brains. I want you to be curious. Ask
Right.
as many questions as possible.
Okay.
Because we're going to set you a challenge. So, suck up all the knowledge.
Yeah, nice one.
150.
150, yeah.
How long have you been collecting them?
Since I was really little.
Why?
I just grew up interested in appliances and technology. People used to give them to me when they'd break and I'd fix them, and before long I had a huge collection.
I quite like this, all tucked away on the
Yeah.
table.
Yeah, that's quite an unusual one. It all tucks away in a coffee table when you're done, so you don't
That's
have to
quite
store
nice.
it away anywhere.
Wow.
When you don't need it,
Good
it's a coffee
idea.
table.
And what's that there, like a little travelling one?
This one here, yeah, so this is a portable vacuum, so it's all wraps away in a kind of a suitcase design, so it's slim to store, somewhere compact.
God, my husband would love that. He's a carpet cleaner.
Oh, really? Oh, right.
He spends all day hoovering.
Right, that's it. And I have to say, Jack, I was earwigging at the door. Fascinating, absolutely fascinating. I think this collection is just marvellous. It really is. It's mind-blowing, isn't it?
Amazing.
You don't know what to look at.
No.
Right, now listen.